Hello guys, I am Shamli Zalte from KKW College, Chandori. Today we have learned basic concept of C programming. Firstly, we will see the history of the C language. C is the general purpose of structure programming language. It bridges the gap between machine language and high level language. The C programming language was developed by Dennis Ritchie at Bell Laboratories in the early 1970s. He was also known as the father of C language. This is the history of C language. Our next topic is features of C language. The first feature is simple and robust. C language is a general purpose of structure programming language. It has the simplicity of high level language as well as the power of the low level language. So C language is simple and robust. Our next features is small in size and powerful. C language consists of the 32 English word known as a keyword. For example, if, else, for, break, etc. Our next features is portability. C program written on the computer or operating system can be compiled and run on another computer or operating system with little or no modification. So C language is portable language. Our next features is efficient use of pointers. C support the efficient use of pointer. Pointer have the direct access of memory. Our next features is modularity. C program are a modular in nature. This is our features of C programming. We will discuss our next topic is application of C programming. Our application is C language can be used for creating system software like operating system, language compiler, assembler, text editor, etc. Our next application is C programming language used in writing a embedded software. Our third feature is C programming language also use enterprises application, gaming software and graphics application. Next feature is it is widely used in image processing application and robotic application. And also fifth applications is it is also used in a scientific programming and engineering application like a CAD and CAM. This is application of a C programming. Our next topic is structure of C program. C program is firstly we will see the C. What is a C program? C program is collection of one or more function and modules. Every function is a collection of statement that perform some specific task. Our first section is documentation section. Now, this section consists of the set of comments, lines which include the name of program. Comments are enclosed in documentation section, helps user or programmer to get an overview of the program. Our next section is link section. Link section means the link section consists of the header file or preprocessor directories. It provides instruction to the compiler to link a function for system library. Next section is definition section. The symbolic constant are written in a definition section. And fourth section is global declaration section. Global declaration section means the global variable that can be used anywhere in the program are declared in a global declaration section. And our fifth and main section is main function section. Every C program must contain a main function. Main function is the heart of our program. The program will always be by executing the main function which may access other function. And our sixth section is subprogram. Subprogram section contains all the user defined functions. We will see the simple example of C program or basic example of C program. This program print on screen hello world. A second line is hash include stdio.h. Hash include stdio.h means this is the header file. Next is integer main. Integer main is our program main function. Integer is the data types of main function or return types of main function. And fourth line is opening of the main function, means curly braces, and use printf method. Printf method use the print the message on our console. And sixth is a return 0, main function return a 0. And seventh is the closing of the function, and output show this program is hello world. This is our basic concept of C programming. Thank you for watching my video.